Naivasha, and also welcome to Vasha Furniture Naivasha branch, located just next to Buffalo Mall. Let's go inside Vasha Furniture. You see the offerings there. So I'm inside the shop sitting on a two-seater back permanent couch with a round arm. Okay, so I've mentioned the round arm because the guys at Vasha, they can do the style that you want, from round arm to slanting arm to box arm. Okay, arm hii hapa, so watafanya hiyo yote. And of course, when it comes to the couches, for instance, apart from the back permanent like this one, they can do different styles. No, they can do the buffalo seat, they can do the butterfly seat, an L shape, the corner seats, U seats, chester, replica recliners, you name them. Typically, Vasha will do all. Now, when it comes to the material, I mean, you can get from normal cushion or a spring cushion sofa. Okay, and like the one I'm sitting on is known as the vortex fabric, and like the other one pale nyuma is known as the bubble fabric. So typically Vasha Furniture, this is their specialty. Tembea hapa for couches, for dining tables, for beds, for TV stands, you know, all types of furniture. Tembea hapa Vasha Furniture. And today I'm glad to be here in their newest branch. Okay, and today was the grand opening. Tuko hapa Naivasha, just next to Buffalo Mall. Now, they also have a branch in Nakuru, CBD, along Government Road, or rather behind West Side Mall. They're just about there as well as Vasha Furniture. When it comes to delivery, within Nakuru and Naivasha, free delivery. But apart from those two in towns, well, you will have to cost share. Okay, you will cost share hapo mambo na transport. Now, their number is 0725 405 102 or 0113 322 011. I forgot to tell you that you know, the couches, they come with complimentary pillows like the one I'm holding here. Typically, there is more to talk about Vasha Furniture, but for now, well, call that number and order an item that you need in your household. Mpaka hapo, see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel, EZRA ONDARA TV, for more content from Nakuru and beyond the city. Now we are even in Naivasha. And remember, we love to promote businesses like exactly what we are doing today at Vasha Furniture. We would also want to come to your business and promote it. Our office line is 0791 055 678. In the meantime, Vasha Furniture is the place to be for your household furniture, even office furniture actually. Piga tu namba yao ya simu watakupanga. Thank you.